Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Whether you are a returning viewer or this is your first time tuning in, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you for stopping in to spend some time with us today. Before I go any further, let me introduce myself. My name is Kathy Allen Gray. I am the principal owner of Ladies Appraisal Service in Kansas City, Missouri, and I am a licensed real estate appraiser in the state of Missouri. I am often asked, what careers easily transfer into real estate appraisal? So today I'm going to go over 10 occupations that the skills can easily be used in real estate appraisal. The first one is real estate professionals. Those individuals who are agents or brokers can easily transition into real estate appraiser. Their knowledge of the housing market, sales processes, and property values provide a strong foundation for appraisal work. For example, although I am not a real estate broker, although many real estate appraisers are real estate brokers, I am required to have MLS. In order to have MLS in Kansas City, one must have a separate office equal to that of a broker. So, real estate, it is not uncommon for many real estate appraisers to also be real estate brokers. As a matter of fact, one of my mentors was a real estate broker as well as a real estate appraiser. So the first occupation that transitions well into real estate appraisal is that of a real estate broker or a real estate agent. The second occupation are those individuals who are in finance and banking. Bankers, or individuals with experience in banking, especially those involved in mortgage, lending, or financial analysis, may become appraisers. Their understanding of financial concepts and loan procedures is advantageous. The third are individuals in construction and architecture. These could be builders and contractors. These individuals with backgrounds in construction or building trades often have a deep understanding of property structures and values, making them well suited for appraisal work. Architects. Architects bring knowledge of property design, construction methods, and building materials, which is valuable in assessing property value. Number 4, engineers. Civil and structural engineers. Engineers with expertise in building and structural systems may find the transition to appraisal work smooth due to their technical skills and knowledge of property conditions. Number 5, business and economics. Economics and business professionals are individuals with a background in mathematics, economics, business, statistics, or finance, can leverage those skills and understanding of market trends in real estate appraisals. Number 6, legal professionals. Lawyers, CPAs, and accountants. Some lawyers, especially those with experience in property law or real estate transactions, may shift to appraising, utilizing their knowledge of property regulations and legal issues. Number 7, general business and administrative. Administrative professionals. Those with experience in general business administration or management often have transferable skills such as such as organization, attention to detail, and client communication. Number 8, those involved in education. Educators are individuals with teaching backgrounds, particularly those in related fields like business or economics, mathematics, and statistics, might move into real estate appraisal, applying their analytical and communication skills. And the 10th are career changers, other professionals, people from a wide range of professions, such as insurance, marketing, or social services, may enter the field of real estate appraisal, often driven by a personal interest in real estate or desire for a career change. And this was my case, as I spoke of, because my background is sociology. Each of these backgrounds provides unique skills and perspectives that can contribute to a successful career in real estate appraisal. So, I hope I have answered the question about what occupations provide an easy transition into real estate appraisal, and I have given you 10 of them in this video. And as always, thank you for tuning in with me today and taking the time to be with me. I really appreciate you. Help me to help this channel grow, and not only will I discuss this, I'll bring on professionals within the industry, and hopefully once we get to 1,000 to 2,000 subscribers, I can make those type of videos. So as always, you know my motto, peace is priceless, because life is too short for you know what. So have a peaceful day. Until next time, stay in peace. Bye-bye.